And so, understand, there are three laws of success, three laws that govern everything you do in life. I'm sure you know the first one. Anna, do you know the first one? It's the law of sowing and reaping. Of course, you know that. What you sow, so shall you reap. Let me write it down. So here we go. The first law. What you sow, so shall you reap. Let me ask you a question. If you sow apple seeds, what will you get? Right? Apples. You will not get oranges. What you sow, so shall you reap. What you do is what you get in return. Fair enough. Let me get to the second law. I don't know if you know this. Marcus. Do you know the second law? You always reap after you sow. Right? The farmer knows this very well. He plants seeds, he waits for a few months, maybe a year, and then he gets his harvest. You always reap after you sow. How does this connect to what I am teaching? Give me a minute. What is the third law? Anyone else? Bob, what's the third law? Let me explain. You reap more than you sow. Let me explain. Anna again. How many seeds in an apple? 5, right? 5, 6, great. How many apples in one seed? Guys. Sorry? Endless, that's the thing, endless. You always reap more than you sow. You reap after you sow and you reap what you sow. In life, if you do good, you get it in abundance. You can call it karma, you can call it what the universe gives back. It's to do with the secret, if you read the secret book. And that's the law of success. It's called the law of compensation. Everything you do, you get back in return. There was this young kid who was very angry. He left his home in a huff. He went up the hilltop, went to the mountain, and he said, I hate you. He said, I hate you. And then guess what happened? 1,000 voices boomed back. I hate you, I hate you. The kid got scared. He ran down, he went to his mom. He said, Mom, I'm so scared. And the mom asked, what happened? And the kid explained, I went up and I just said, I hate you. I vented my anger out and it came back. The mom understood. She took the kid again to the mountaintop and she said, just say, I love you. And when the kid said, I love you, 1,000 voices said, I love you, I love you, I love you. And the kid understood the meaning. What you sow, so shall you reap. You will always reap after you sow. You will reap much more than you sow. And that are the three laws of success applied to every area of life.